Let me paint a picture for you. You're dealing with stubborn acne that won't budge, dull skin that's lost its glow, dark spots refusing to fade, or hair that seems impossible to manage. Sound familiar? Now imagine if the ultimate solution isn't in an expensive product, but something simple, natural, and already in your kitchen. Yes, it's rice. For centuries, rice has been the beauty secret of royalty in Japan, China, and Korea. A powerhouse ingredient, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids, and inositol. It's been used to achieve radiant skin, luscious hair, and a healthy scalp. And today, I'm not just sharing hacks. I'm showing you how to tackle real problems with real, proven solutions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your beauty routine with rice water and rice-based masks. Trust me, these remedies are more effective and accessible than you ever imagined. So let's dive into the secrets of this ancient beauty elixir and how it can completely reset your skin, hair, and scalp. Let's start with one of the easiest but most effective beauty hacks you'll ever try: rice water. Rice water is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, making it an excellent solution for brightening your skin, calming acne, and improving hair health. To make rice water, take about half a cup of uncooked rice. Rinse it thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. Soak the rice in about 2 cups of water for 30 minutes. After soaking, strain the rice water into a clean bowl or spray bottle. You can store this rice water in the fridge for up to a week. Rice water has a ton of benefits for your skin. Rice water's anti-inflammatory properties help calm redness and reduce the appearance of acne. It soothes the skin, reduces inflammation, and helps to clear pimples. Over time, you'll notice less redness and fewer breakouts, giving you clearer, more even skin. If your skin's looking tired, rice water revitalizes and brightens your complexion. It brings back a healthy glow to your skin, leaving you with a radiant, luminous face. Rice water gently fades dark spots and evens out your skin tone, giving you a clearer complexion. The antioxidants in rice water reduce fine lines and wrinkles, helping your skin look youthful and fresh. Rice water helps reduce the redness from sunburns, soothing and healing sun-damaged skin. Whether you have rosacea, eczema, or irritated skin, rice water helps calm and balance your skin, providing immediate relief. Simply spray or dab rice water onto your face every day. You can also soak a cotton pad and use it as a toner. Over time, you'll notice a brighter, more even complexion. Do you want to make that viral rice toner at home without spending a fortune? Here's how. First, after washing your rice, soak it in water for 30 minutes. Then, grind the soaked rice in a blender. Once blended, pour it into a thin cloth and squeeze out all the rice water. Finally, transfer the water into an empty mist bottle. And there you have it, your DIY rice toner. This toner is packed with skin-nourishing benefits and will leave your face looking hydrated, radiant, and refreshed. Try it and thank me later. Did you know rice water isn't just for toning your skin? It can also double as a gentle, natural cleanser. After removing your makeup or at the end of the day, soak a cotton pad with rice water and gently wipe your face. This not only removes dirt, impurities, and leftover oils, but also nourishes your skin in the process. It's an easy and refreshing step that leaves your skin feeling clean, soft, and hydrated. Rice water is just as beneficial for your hair. It strengthens hair, adds moisture, reduces frizz, and promotes growth. Here's how you can use it. Rice water strengthens each strand, reducing breakage and making your hair more resilient. It adds a layer of protection, making your hair less prone to damage. If you have dry, brittle hair, rice water helps restore moisture, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and nourished. Rice water smooths out flyaways and hydrates the hair, keeping it polished and frizz-free. The nutrients in rice water nourish the scalp, promoting healthier hair follicles and encouraging faster hair growth. Rice water brings back the natural shine to your hair, making it look healthier, shinier, and more vibrant. After shampooing, pour or spray rice water onto your hair. Massage it gently into your scalp, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with water. Next, let's dive into a rice flour and milk mask, a powerful remedy to combat dull skin, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. To make the rice flour and milk mask, mix 3 tablespoons of rice flour with 2 teaspoons of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey to the mixture. This mask works wonders for pigmentation, giving your skin a natural, radiant glow. Apply the mask evenly to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. For best results, try using this mask 3 to 4 times a week. To get even better results, steam your face for a few minutes before applying the mask. The steam helps open your pores, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeper. If you want a smooth, luxurious DIY rice face mask that feels like a spa treatment, here's what you need to do. Take 1/2 tablespoon of rice and boil it until it's about 75 to 85% cooked. Then blend it with 5 to 6 tablespoons of rice water until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Add 1/2 tablespoon of honey to this mixture, and your mask is ready. Apply it evenly on your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, rinse it off gently. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, hydrated, and glowing, like magic. Looking for that coveted glass skin look? Try this amazing rice face mask that helps smooth your texture and gives you a luminous glow. To make the rice face mask, take 3 teaspoons of boiled rice flour, add 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Add rice water to adjust the consistency. This mask is perfect for anyone with uneven skin texture, dullness, or lack of radiance. The honey hydrates, yogurt exfoliates gently, and rice flour smooths out your skin. Apply the mask evenly to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After rinsing, your skin will look smoother and more luminous. For extra glow, try chilling your rice water before mixing it into the mask. The cool temperature helps tighten your pores, giving an instant firming effect. Now let's make a DIY rice and flaxseed hair mask that your hair will thank you for. Here's what you do. Take 1 tablespoon of rice or rice flour and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Add them to a bowl with water and boil it on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's ready, strain the mixture and add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Apply this to your clean scalp and hair, making sure to cover everything well. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, then wash it out with a mild shampoo. This mask will leave your hair feeling super soft, shiny, and deeply nourished, perfect for a healthy glow-up. As you can see, rice water, rice-based masks offer a complete beauty solution for both your skin and hair. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating rice into your beauty routine today and experience the transformation for yourself. If you're excited to try these tips, let me know in the comments. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty secrets. Stay glowing and keep it natural.
My youth is yours.